Hello, Professor Morgan here, showing you how to set up a course in Canvas, basically from scratch. And this is primarily done for the folks at Shaw University and how we do things. So the first thing you need to set up for your courses are three things, and they're called the key course components. That's your syllabus, that is your gradebook, and that is your attendance. And in this video, we're going to start with the syllabus. So I recommend that we start with the syllabus first. So you may have an old school syllabus like this. This is the one that we had created, the template, just the generic template. But I had, this is the old syllabus. Okay, it's got all my stuff that I need here. Okay, so you have a syllabus that has all the documentation that you need. Okay, so what you're going to do to create a syllabus is on the side over here, you'll have to find the word syllabus. Now, if the syllabus is like buried down here, one little trick you can use, kind of to get us started, if you go to the settings at the bottom of the page and you go to navigation, then you can find that that you can move these around. So I can move syllabus way down here. Okay. And actually, attendance generally is not even in there. It's usually down here. You have to, put that up there eventually. But so if I have syllabus, I'm like, well, actually, I want that more towards the top. So, and I can always rearrange this later. But if I just switch it, push it up here to there, okay, and then I hit save, you'll now notice that, boom, there's syllabus. Okay. Oh, okay. So now I need to set up my syllabus. Now, the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to just go over here and just say edit, okay? And then I'm going to just take my syllabus that I have here, and I'm just going to copy the whole thing. So I'm just going to hit Control A on my keyboard, so it highlights all the text. And then I'm going to hit Control C. Okay, you can also just right click and hit copy, and that'll do the same thing. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this text box here, and then I can either hit Control V or I can just right click and hit paste. Okay, and then it brought everything over. Now, it didn't bring over the logo, which is, it is what it is. Okay, and there's some extra little gaps and dots and stuff like that. So I would recommend kind of cleaning this up. So I'm just going to pause the video and kind of clean this up a little bit. Alrighty, so I just went through and just kind of cleaned up some of the extra gaps. So this is, again, I had created my syllabus beforehand, and I'm just copying and pasting it into here. But this is what you need to do. So it has all the information that I need. And you'll see this little button down here, Show Course Summary. Go ahead and check that box right now because you'll need that for later. Okay, so again, we're just kind of doing step by step. This is the first step we're going to be doing. And after we've done that, then we hit Update Syllabus. Okay, and then our syllabus has been updated. Okay, now there's more that happens on this page later on as we go through the building process, but this is the first step. Okay, so you need to have your syllabus in here, and it needs to be accessible. So when the students click on syllabus, they can just easily pull up the syllabus, and there it is. Okay, yeah, so that's it. That's it for this little video, just to get your syllabus in there. And we need to do this first because everything kind of builds off of this from here on out. All right, thanks so much.